As the year comes to an end, I start thinking about the things I want to live with in the next one. For 2026, I was looking for a wall calendar, something minimal, something that fits my design aesthetic. Hi, I'm Hrishikesh Shinde, and this is how I made my wall calendar for 2026. I began by listing what the calendar needed to include, followed by a few rough sketches to explore the layout. I chose an A3 size. It's easily available for printing and works well on a wall. I wanted the design to breathe, so I chose a bold Devanagari typeface for clarity. The month and number sit at the top. The dates stay on the lower half of the page. The color palette is minimal: black for text and dates, red for important days and Sundays, grey for lines and dividers. I added dotted lines about the dates, just enough space to write if needed. Once the design felt right, I took it to a local print shop. They had a 100 GSM cartridge paper, which worked well. After printing, I checked each page carefully in case of any printing or design mistakes. Before binding, I added perforations at the top so each page could be torn off as the months pass. I had a bookbinding tool with me, which I used to make the perforations. Then I added a thin strip of double-sided tape along the top edge of each page. To finish it, I added a strip of black paper at the top. There's something deeply satisfying about peeling tape by hand and pasting things slowly. Manual pasting caused a slight misalignment, so I trimmed it and put the black paper. To hang it, I simply used a simple paper clip. And just like that, the calendar for 2026 was ready. Clean, minimal, just the way I had visualized. It's time to get started with the new year. Till next time, cheers.